Sorbet Dream Cream. Sorbet Dream Cream is a part of Devoted Creations Face and Body collection. Sorbet Dream Cream is a devoted dream come true and a first of its kind. This high-end, revolutionary, multi-use, tan-enhancing Mega Moisture Mask works to perfect the skin surface with Sugarcane Squalene, vegan collagen, and hyaluronic acid. Sugarcane Squalene provides the skin with weightless hydration while adding a soothing, lightweight feel. Added hyaluronic acid and plum extracts work together to provide protein-rich antioxidants while adding superior hydration to protect the skin's moisture barrier. This imperfection blurring, pore tightening, and texture improving facial tan intensifier is packed with natural hydrating coconut and watermelon extracts to deliver essential anti-inflammatory vitamins for anyone who craves juicy, sweet, glow-getting results. Sorbet Dream Cream is available in a 1.7-ounce bottle and uses a lovely sugared sorbet fragrance.